Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of the Showerhead store, and in this video, I'm going over the AquaPod Kit, which is a bathtub liner. It's an emergency preparedness essential, right? So we actually have Tropical Storm Fiona blowing through here. It looks like it's going to turn into a hurricane, so don't know what the water situation is going to be in a few hours, a few days. So some things that, concern us are, one, water contamination, right? And two, just running out of water entirely. So if we run out of water, we want to at least have some water to flush the toilets and do some basic necessities around the house. So what this AquaPod Kit does, again, it's just a plastic liner that goes in your bathtub. It's 65 gallons, BPA-Free, and made in the USA. The plastic is pretty thick, so not really worried about any punctures from any things in the tub necessarily. And this is a jetted tub. So we have the room, but it has a Ziploc opening here. So you just put it in the tub, slide the opening over the tub spout, and then you just start filling it up. I did use a clamp initially just to hold it in place because I didn't want to have to stand over it for all the time that it was filling up. But now it's mostly full. And it does come with a hand siphon, so if you do need to use this water, you just put the siphon in and then you can pump out water as you need it. So really a nice kit. Get it on Amazon, well made, and an essential, whether it's hurricane, tornado, earthquake, wildfires, whatever it may be. If you're gonna, have the risk of running out of water or have water contamination, get this and you'll be happy you did. I'm Justin Ball, the Showerhead guy, signing out for now.